Hello everyone, I am Dr. Jatin. I am working as a consultant dermatologist at Astroskin World, Zirakpur and in Fortis Hospital, Mohali. Today I will be talking about hair care. As we know, hair is a very important part of our body and there are a lot of myths associated with hair and hair fall. First of all, I would like to emphasize on the care of the hair. In that case, there are a number of myths which are there with hair problems. First of all, you should take care of hair in the form of cleaning. Proper cleaning is good, and the shampooing, if you ask me, it is twice a week is more than enough, because over shampooing of hairs can cause over dryness of hair, which can cause brittle and damaged hair, so which can result in increased hair loss. The second thing is oiling. Oiling is very important because, as we know, it's a protein structure, so it can get dry with frequent washing. So oiling is important before shampooing, and the oil I recommend is coconut oil and olive oil or almond oil. It's good for your hairs. The second things comes in hair care is the nutrition, because nutrition has a very important role in hair care, and a lot of people are associated with the nutrition problem who are facing hair fall. So in nutrition there are a number of factors, number of items which can act as a hair stimulant, and most important is the protein content of your diet, because protein, as we know, hair is made up of proteins. So 90% of hair is made up of protein, so protein is very important in your diet. And you can take it in the form of lentils and then pulses and then soya beans. They all are rich source of proteins. So protein is always include protein in your diet, and then multivitamins like biotin is a very important constituent of your hair. So you should have biotin in your diet, and then multivitamin like vitamin B12, even vitamin D is very essential in hair health. Then there comes the role of iron, because iron is again a very important constituent of hair. So iron has a very important role in hair problems. So people with iron deficiency, जिन लोगों को iron की problem रहती है, उनका भी hair fall is very very common. So we generally go for all these tests before starting our treatment for hair problems. And the third thing is your day-to-day routine, because the people who are in stress and who are not taking proper diet, the stress contains a very important role in hair fall also. The third thing is, if you ask me what are the causes of hair fall, so there are certain diseases, like if somebody has a dandruff problem, so dandruff can again a very important cause for hair fall. So because it causes a continuous inflammation in your scalp and people with an itchy scalp, जिन लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा खारिश रहती है सर में या खुजली रहती है, उन लोगों को भी हेयर फॉल की प्रॉब्लम बढ़ जाती है. Third thing is androgenetic alopecia. You must have heard about it. It's more of a familial thing, it's more of a hormonal thing. So in that case, there are certain medications we start in these patients, and this androgenetic alopecia, which is it's a very common problem. It can be reversed or it can be stopped at if you start early and proper treatment from a dermatologist. So I emphasize on this point that whenever you feel any hair fall and whenever you feel any hair problem, always consult a dermatologist. Don't buy over-the-counter medicines and don't start your own treatment, as we generally do in our cases. So for a better hairs, for a better scalp, it's all about the proper cleaning, proper use of moisturizer, proper use of oiling. And one more thing I forget to tell you about the conditioner. Conditioner has a very good role, as it moisturizes your hair and it acts as a detangling agent also. So in that case, your traumatic capillation of hair, these all can be reversed with the use of a proper conditioner. There are certain shampoos in the market which can act as a anti-hair fall agents also. So you always consult your dermatologist before starting any treatment. And all these hair products and all these hair supplements, they are well tolerated by the patient, and they are beneficial too as a hair supplement. So in the nutshell, there will all be a multiple causes of hair fall. There will never be a single cause. So your dermatologist will rule out all the causes in the form of nutritional deficiency, any disease, any evidence of androgenic alopecia, and last but not the least is dandruff. So all these problems can be sorted out and hair can be restored. So please, from this message I just want to tell you that always consult your dermatologist or trichologist whenever you feel any hair related problems. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day.